Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I want to show you how to make public profile on Snapchat. Well, first you need to make sure that your Snapchat is updated. So go to Google Play Store and update your application. Then go to your profile right here at the top left corner. When you scroll down, you can see here, create public profile. But if you didn't see this option right over here, you need to set up the settings. So go to the gear icon at the top right corner. Then you need to scroll down and go to privacy controls. Here on contact me, you need to choose this everyone. Same with this send me notifications, view my story. So you need to make sure that it is on everyone mode right over here. Now going back to that option, you need to create now the public profile. So tap on this option right here. And then you can see show your name. So anyone who views these snaps or your lenses will be able to subscribe to your account. Here on build your public profile, you can see it helps Snapchatters find out more about you. So get over to get started. So tap on this option and tap on this create button right over here. Now you can see, so just wait for a few seconds. And finally, you have just created your public profile right here. So when you want to edit this, so you can go to my public profile right here. You can add a cover photo. You can edit your profile picture right here, create stories. So right here, you can edit your profile on this public profile mode on the Snapchat. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.